Hello friends, welcome to Desert View Studio. To complete this 5-piece dining table set, you will need 106 Jenga blocks. For this project, I use Minwax Espresso Stain Color. You can use paint as you desire. For each high chair, you will need 18 pieces to complete. Step number 1. Glue 3 pieces together. Step number 2. Glue 2 pieces onto both sides. Step number 3. Glue 2 pieces together as you are seeing here. Step number 4. Glue 2 Jenga blocks together in this direction. And this is what we have so far. Time to assemble. Add a single piece as you are seeing here. Add the 2 blocks from step number 4 right at the line. Here we are creating the back of a chair. Adding glue on the bottom of backing piece and attach onto the base as you are seeing here. If you are new to my channel for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome. For step number 5, you will glue 2 sets like so. These are the legs of the chair. Apply glue and attach to the front and the back. And many of you who are repeat members, thank you very much for continue your support with my channel. I very appreciate it. The glue that I'm using here is the wood glue that I purchased from Dollar Tree. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. Thank you. And here's the finished product of chair number 1. If you like to complete the whole set, you can repeat step 1 through 5 and work on 3 more chairs. If you don't want to paint or stain, you can leave it natural color. Here I'm making dining table. I'm creating 3 panels of 6 Jenga blocks gluing together. After that, you will glue each panel together like so. Glue 2 pieces together. For this, we will need 8 sets. What we have here are the legs of the table. And then you will glue the 2 sets together and creating 4 sets. And now you can start gluing each corner. You can use the spackling to fill in the gaps to make the project look nicer. If you were to make this project, which look you like best, whether to paint, stain, or leave it natural color, please don't forget to comment down below. This project turned out very cute and is easy to make. I hope you give it a try. Here's an overview of the natural color. If you want to take a step further, you can make a tablecloth or perhaps seat cushions or add a centerpiece. Here's a closer look at the dining table after I add the speckling to fill in the gaps. For this project, I choose to use the stain. And the color that I'm using is Espresso from Minwax. And here it is, the finished product after I stain it with espresso color. Here on my channel at Desert View Studio, I also make other projects using Jenga blocks. Please don't forget to go check it out. Thank you. I hope you like this project as much as I do. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. I would like to thank you each and every one of you for supporting my channel. I am truly grateful. Don't forget to comment down below what you think of this project, or if you decide to make one for yourself. Until next time, bye for now.